Hello, hello, hello. Happy Saturday. Hope everybody had a great Saturday. Before I get started, please come in and give me that thumbs up. I would appreciate it to help my videos get into the analytics so more people can watch. I have some new stuff here. One I just got in today, and another one I bought when I went food shopping. I just now tried one and I really like it. So I found this on another keto girl's Instagram page where they talked about this company, Maui Keto Treats. They are out of Hawaii. Let me see. Wailuku, Hawaii. It took about, I ordered on the 16th. So it did take a couple of days to get here, but they shipped it out really quick, I believe. Anyway, they sell hot cakes. They call them pancakes, cookie mixes, pound cake mixes, fresh bread mixes, and sweet donut. Old carbs. I don't know what the heck that is, but anyway, this is the website that you can see right here. It's the website that you can see right here, and it's Maui Keto Treats. They do ship out of Hawaii. And as you can see here, they sell cookies. They don't sell, you have to actually make them. So I wanted to try her pancakes because y'all know I've been looking for me some pancakes. I've been using these other pancakes, and I use the paleo because the keto one, those things was god awful. I have a whole pack in there that's going to go in the garbage because it was no doctoring them things up at all. It wasn't enough sugar, nothing that you could put in them pancakes that makes them taste good. The paleo is pretty good. It's tolerable. So as you can see, she has all different types of pancakes. I have the buttercream hot cakes. She has cookie dough mix. So once I taste her pancakes and I'm comfortable, I think they taste good, then I'll go and order other types of stuff from her. I'm not a huge baker. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather just buy my cookies or my pancakes. You make them, and you know, the only time I just don't really bake like that. I'm not a huge baker, but you can see she have butter pound cake mix. I want to try this oob butter. I wonder how that tastes. Macadamia chocolate chip pound cakes. Then she have bread mixes, so you can make sandwich bread with her mixes, dinner rolls, pumpkin bread, cinnamon pumpkin butter cream bread, bacon mix, sweet butter bread mix, and then she got something called sweet donuts where you can do chocolate cream sweet cake donut mix. So she has donut mixes as well, and these are keto. So again, I'm not a huge baker. My daughter is. Maybe I'll order some of these and give it a try. Let's go back to the hot cakes. So her hot cakes was $12.99. I think I did use a coupon. They said on sales, regular price is $14.99. But when I got it, I was like, this sure is looking a little bit small for pancakes. And I looked at the amount, and it's only 4 ounces. So it makes 10 buttery and decadent hot cakes. I'm so tempted to try them just to make one tonight, but I don't feel like it because I already ate. It's gluten-free, it's no added sugars, it's 0.7 net carbs per serving, and made on Maui. So it says serving size 1. I know it ain't no one daggone pancake. Who eats one pancake? Maybe it's one big pancake. I don't know. I hope so. For 12 total fat, Jesus. That's a lot of calories for one pancake. It says make 10 pancakes. Hell yeah, that's, girl, that one gram better be a nice size pancake. Or else you be making a whole bunch of little tiny pancakes. 12 grams of fat, 1.7 total carb, so it's 0.7 total carb, less than a gram of total carb, 5 grams of protein, a half a gram of sugar, so it's very low in sugar. The ingredients are organic almond flour, erythritol, whey protein, cinnamon, baking powder, and all of your little allergy warnings. Hawaii, manufactured in Hawaii. It says you need 4 eggs. You must be cooking this whole thing. You need 4 eggs, 4 ounces of cream cheese, room temperature, half a teaspoon of vanilla or flavor of your choice. Blend all wet ingredients with dry. Mix for 45 seconds. Let it sit for 10 minutes. For fluffy pancakes, melt unsalted butter on a skillet and pour batter into 8 to 10 pancakes. Flip pancake over 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. Add sugar-free syrup and berries. Enjoy. Oh, so this is for you. Basically, when you cook, you making this whole pack. I ain't never had no pancakes that need all of this. Normally, it's just water and mix. These are them special pancakes. Huh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I didn't know you had to do all of this for some pancakes. But yeah, I guess this would be something whenever I want to do something for dinner, maybe like some chicken and waffles or something like that. I'll do these. Yeah, I can't wait to try these out. You got to go through a lot. I ain't never heard of putting no cream cheese and pancake mix. My word, these probably gonna be some buttercream pancakes. Maybe that's why they call them buttercream. Okay, well, and then this right here I bought from Trader Joe's. It comes in a 4-pack. I do like black tea with peach juice, with peach flavored. I just bought one, thought I would give it a try, and I tried it tonight. It's sparkling, and it's actually pretty good. Tonight was my eating night. So, of course, when you're fasting, this is not one of these sparkling drinks that you can drink because it has calories. It's 15 calories a can, 3 grams of carbs, and it's 2 grams of sugar. It's not a lot of sugar, but it will probably be enough to break your fast or even kick you out of ketosis. It just depends. You would have to test. So these are the ingredients that's in it. Not bad. You know, the sugar is low, you know, but it tastes really good. I enjoyed it. I might go get me another one. Hopefully it don't keep me up. But yeah, it's really good. So you go to Trader Joe's and you go down a little soda aisle and stuff like that. Pick one up and give it a try. They had several different ones that you can try. So yeah, I'm gonna go get me another drink before I go to bed. Just wanted to come and show y'all these 2 things that I got in and go from there. So everybody have a safe weekend. Have a blessed Sunday. And on to the week. Peace. Hello, hello. I hope everybody had a great Monday. So I'm coming back to you. I'm fixing dinner for my son. Some shrimp with some chicken fried rice, Trader Joe's. These are his. I breaded them and seasoned them with Old Bay. And I'm going to put them in the air fryer, so hopefully they come out. And these 6 are mine. And I seasoned them with real salt and my adobo seasoning. And then I put a little bit of bread in the Pork King. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Just to have a little breading on them, because today is my fasting day, where I'm fasting for 40 hours, so I do take in some just to curb my hunger, like a modified fast. And you're not supposed to do over 500 calories. So I'm gonna just do this and then drink my water, my sparkling waters, and hope if that don't work, then I have my turkey broth. And these are the shrimp that I use. I got them from Trader Joe's. I used these in my gumbo too, and they were pretty good. So I'll show y'all what they look like when they come out the air fryer. So this is how mine came out. Not crispy, probably because they were still frozen. The ones for my son are still in there cooking. Next time I try to have them already thawed and dry them off so it won't be so much water in them, and then try air frying them again. But this is what they look like. I don't know what they taste like. And this is what the fried rice from Trader Joe's look like. Looks pretty good. I did season it. So this is chicken fried rice. They also have shrimp fried rice as well. But I figured I'll just buy the shrimp, being that the shrimp is all small, and cook the shrimp myself. So that's dinner. So I got my coffee right here with my collagen in it. And then I have my shrimp. My son said he liked the way the shrimp tastes. So I'm going to taste one and see. They're good. They're not like fried shrimp. But the next time I try it the other way. Defrost the shrimp, make sure they're dried out of all moisture as much as I could, then bread them and put them in the air fryer and see how they come out. If they come out like fried shrimp or just shrimp in the oven with bread on them. So this is it for tonight, besides water and sparkling water for my 40-hour fast. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Give me that thumbs up.